Quality parts, fast delivery. Ever thought about why your stove keeps going strong despite all the daily hustle and bustle of chores and business? Because of the superior quality of their spare parts. Cheap or fake parts can make your washing machine work poorly, leaving your big loads of clothes still dirty. Your AC is struggling to keep you cool. It might be time to replace some old parts with new ones. Struggling to find the right spare parts for your appliances? Don't worry, introducing FAJ.AE Spare Parts. We offers top quality spare parts for reliable, durable appliance performance, keeping them in prime condition long. We offer top-notch spare parts for AC, refrigerators, washing machine, cooking and baking, for both home and commercial use. We offer fast and reliable delivery service, catering to bulk orders across Gulf countries, Africa, and South Asia. Find authentic parts at FAJ.AE for a smooth daily life, and keep your business running smoothly. Call us for technical assistance, or email us for inquiries.